Hey guys, it's Danny. Today I'm reviewing the Nike Phantom Vision 2 Academy soccer boot in the wet. It just rained about now, and the sun's clearing up, so I thought, come on here and make a review in the wet. The ground is soaking wet. It rained for 2 hours straight since 12 p.m. and it's already 3 p.m. in my time, so let's get this started. So I got 3 courses, the dribbling test, and then there's 2 courses for the Elastico test, which is going to be under control test, and then the last and best test is going to be the shooting test. And then in the middle of the 2, I'm be doing my thoughts on the mesh and the little TikTok. So let's get it to it. And I'm gonna be ready for the dribbling test. Here you go. Honestly, from the dribbling test, it feels pretty good. The grip, as I said before, is okay for the Academy versions, but it doesn't feel that good. But I mean, it still works in the rain. It doesn't give you the best grip, but it works for the it barely does enough, but it's okay for an Academy. So next up is going to be the control. I'm going to dribble, and I'm going to do some elasticos and finish and score. Here we go. Let's get it done. First Elastico felt pretty good. The grip was okay. As you saw, I went my foot moved this way. The ball was right there and I got it. And the grip was actually pretty good. The ball stayed where it was, which was good, and then I just moved it the other way. It was pretty good. Let's try it one more time. Here we go. As you saw there, I kind of messed up, which wasn't that good, but I mean, that's what it was. So now let's get to the shooting test. Three shots. Here you go. First up, the knuckleball. Here you go, knuckleball. Shot number 1. Here you go. I'm gonna go with a nice curve. Here we go. Woo! Here goes shot number 2. Here we go. Woo! Dropped it bottom for the front side of the day and knuckleball. Here we go. Okay? Now I went for knuckleball, but hey, it works. Let's go. Ooh. Hey, it's a knuckleball. That's what it is. Here's shot number 4, guys. Shot number 4 of the day. Here we go. Oh. Here we go. Shot number 5. Number 5. Here we go. Shot number 6 of the day. Here we go. I'm gonna do curve. Beauty. Well, that is it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed my review. I'm gonna be doing more playtest videos with the Fan Vision, so hopefully you guys can watch them. See you next time. And with a knuckleball, guys, here you go. Let's see if I can make it. Here you go. Go with the curve, boys. Oh my! I'm gonna do a knuckleball right here, boys. So hopefully I'll get it done. Here you go. Knuckleball. Oh. I'm gonna go with the curve here. Let's go with the curve. see if I can make it this time.